and control systems to perform tasks that were traditionally carried out by human workers. Automation can improve productivity, quality, and safety in manufacturing and other industrial applications. Automation technology includes a wide range of tools and technologies, such as robots, numerical control, NC machine tools, programmable logic controllers, PLCs, computer numerical control, CNC, systems, and industrial sensors. Automation systems can be integrated into existing production lines or stand alone and can be used to collect data for preventative maintenance of the equipment. Industrial automation offers a number of benefits over traditional manual labor. Automated facilities can work faster and more accurately than human workers, and they can operate around the clock without tiring and can collect data for monitoring the health status of the equipment and reduce waste. Automation can also help to improve safety in hazardous environments. In recent years, industrial automation has been adopted